Hi everybody, Angela here, just chilling out on my porch, having some nice sunshine here on this beautiful day. Just thought I'd give you guys an update since it's been a while since I've made a video. Recently I finished the Shakeology 3-day cleanse since I was slacking off a little bit in my workouts and in my eating, and it showed up on the scale. So I decided to jump on it, nip it in the bud, and do the cleanse, and I lost a total of 6 pounds. That's the most I've ever lost, so it's a new record for me. So now I feel rejuvenated, recharged, and ready to take control and charge of my eating and my exercising. And I'll be starting a program, Chalene Extreme. I'll be starting that this week. So I'm ready to go. One thing that helped me a lot as far as with the cleanse was drinking a lot of water. And I recently got an app which I heard about from a friend and fellow coach, Lisa, who also has a channel here on YouTube. I believe it's Raw Talk Radio. I'll look it up and post the link. But it's a really cool app, and it motivates you to drink your required 8 glasses of water a day. So, you fill up these 8 glasses. Each time you drink, you tap on it, and when you get to the last one, you get a round of applause. So that's a motivator right there. So I definitely recommend it. Download the drinking water app for your phone, and that might help you get you your required 8 glasses a day. So that's it for now. I hope to make more frequent updates, and I look forward to talking to all of you soon. So if you're interested in the Shakeology cleanse, I have another video that details how to do it. And if you'd like to purchase the cleanse or order Shakeology on Home Direct, definitely drop me a line. I'll post my email at the end of the video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. In the meantime, enjoy the sun, get out there, get moving, bike, run, go to the park, go to the beach, but get moving. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.